The challenge I faced was working in a different kitchen environment. It was the first time I've worked in a catering style environment with the stainless steel tops. Even though I have an induction cooker, it's a little bit difficult to get it ready. So those were my two challenges, and the timing. That was the most difficult part when you're working under such high pressure. Oh, I've gained so much, apart from networking with the lovely contestants. The game changer for me was being in the presence of such greatness with a two Michelin star chef, and just watching how skillful he was and just taking things across. I've always loved and promoted, multicultural style cooking and fusion with my own background as well. But I wanted to learn authentic Chinese, and I think now I've got it. I'm possibly more expert at it now that I can pass it on to the children at school.